Today, let's do some magic. Open Filmora and choose Full Feature Mode. Import all video footage and drag them to the timeline. Cut to your ideal length and keep two videos matched. And then use green screen to make the green color parts become transparent, like this, and adjust it to your ideal intensity level. To add some magic effects on the bottle, we can add some effects packs and elements. All elements can be downloaded in our effects store. Check the links for today's effect packs in the description. Finally, we want it to have some 3D effects. Choose pan and zoom to make it moving as setting track. That's it, very simple and fast. Now try to make it by yourself.